Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my usual weekly technical analysis outlook videos in which I will comment on what I think will happen to some FX crosses and equities. As always, before I begin, I want to clarify that this is not a solicitation or recommendation to enter into long or short positions in the names that I will mention in this video, nor do I have existing positions in them. This is not financial advice, and if you're using this content as a guide to trade, you are doing so at your own risk. Alright, let's start. In this video, I will not be reviewing names that I've covered in past videos and just focus on new coverages. I've put in timestamps, so please use them to skip to the names that interest you. The new coverages this week will be on 2 FX crosses and 3 equity names, starting off with dollar stocky. I believe it is forming a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. The RSI at the bottom of the chart is showing price momentum divergence, which usually suggests a bullish move. To complete this bullish pattern requires a breakout above the resistance trend line, and if that happens, dollar stocky will be technically bullish with a textbook target at 10.2652. This is around 6.6% move from the current spot. A breakdown below the support trend line will invalidate this bullish pattern. The next FX cross is also forming a falling wedge. The Aussie Kiwi falling wedge is a bullish pattern and requires a breakout above the resistance trend line to complete, and if Aussie Kiwi does so, the textbook target will be at 1.0955. We can see at the bottom of the chart, the RSI is also showing price momentum divergence. A breakdown below the support trend line, however, will invalidate this bullish pattern. Next is Lockheed Martin. It appears to be forming a double bottom, a bullish pattern. Price action just broke above the Ichimoku cloud, so upside now prevails. A close above 494.2 will complete this bullish pattern that has a textbook target at 569.2. Moving on to Deere Co, it may have just formed the second shoulder of a head and shoulders top. Now the latest close within the cloud is a positive move and suggests a potential move higher, but anytime it falls back below the cloud, then downside bias will prevail. The completion of this bearish pattern requires a close below 404.42, and if that happens, the textbook target is at 293.73, though there is a support at 344.8 that can bounce Deere Co higher when tested. And the last one for this video is on Chubb Ltd. It may be forming a double top, a bearish pattern. Watch out for more downside if it closes within the Ichimoku cloud and below the 20-week simple moving average. Completion will be via a weekly close below the neckline at 252.56, and if that happens, the textbook target is at 203.37. That's the end of my sharing. I will give updates to these crosses and names only when there are meaningful development, and in the next video, it will highly likely be on new crosses and new names. If you like what I'm doing, please help me out by giving me a like. Please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos like this.